Did you know there are free tools that can hack almost any phone? It's a terrifying reality. In this video, I'll reveal 15 powerful, freely available hacking tools cybercriminals use to break into devices like yours. For each tool, I'll show you how it works and how to defend yourself. This is your crash course in digital self-defense. We're not here to scare you, but to empower you. Ready to see what the bad guys use and how to beat them? Hit subscribe and let's dive in. Let's start with the first tool. First up is Metasploit, the Swiss Army knife of hacking. It's open source, packed with thousands of exploits and payloads, and used by both security pros and cybercriminals. Hackers use Metasploit to find vulnerabilities in your phone's software, often outdated apps or unpatched systems. Once a weakness is found, Metasploit suggests the best exploit and delivers a payload, malicious code that can steal data, spy, or take control. Attacks can come via links, downloads, or public Wi-Fi. Once inside, hackers can browse your files and install more malware, without you knowing. Your best defense? Keep your phone and apps updated. Updates patch the very holes Metasploit targets. Stay current, stay safe. Next is Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer that lets hackers eavesdrop on your data over Wi-Fi. On public Wi-Fi, a hacker can see every website you visit, every message you send, and even your passwords, if the site isn't using HTTPS. It's like reading your mail before it's sealed. Wireshark is meant for diagnosing network issues, but in the wrong hands, it's a goldmine. Hackers filter for keywords like password to steal your credentials. Protect yourself by using a VPN on public Wi-Fi. It encrypts your data, making it unreadable to spies. Always look for HTTPS and the padlock icon in your browser. Encryption is your shield. Don't browse sensitive sites on unsecured networks. Next up is Nmap, the essential network scanning tool trusted by cybersecurity professionals and hackers alike. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is designed to map out all the devices connected to a network, identify open ports, and detect potential vulnerabilities. Its versatility and ease of use make it a staple in every penetration tester's toolkit. With just a few commands, Nmap can reveal which devices are online, what services they're running, and where weak points might exist. Attackers often use Nmap to scan for open ports and unpatched systems, searching for weak spots in a target's defenses. To stay safe, make sure your devices are regularly updated and close any unnecessary ports. This simple step can help protect you from unwanted scans and potential attacks. zANTI brings hacking power to any Android phone. With a few taps, hackers can scan networks, find vulnerabilities, and launch attacks. No laptop needed. Its man-in-the-middle feature lets attackers intercept your data, redirect you to fake sites, and steal passwords in real time. It's dangerously easy to use. Protect yourself with a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Encryption blocks zANTI's attacks. Always check for HTTPS and avoid connecting to unfamiliar networks. If you're not sure, don't connect. Stay vigilant in public spaces. AndroRAT is a remote access tool that gives hackers total control over your Android phone if you install their malicious app. Disguised as games or utilities, it tricks users into installing it, then secretly grants hackers access to contacts, messages, location, microphone, and camera. They can spy, steal, and even make calls from your number. Never install apps from outside the official Play Store. Be wary of unsolicited links or files, even from friends. Use a reputable mobile antivirus, and regularly check app permissions. If a flashlight app wants your contacts, that's a red flag. Stay alert to strange phone behavior. Your caution is your best defense. DroidJack is a commercial-grade Android rat sold on the dark web. Hackers inject it into popular apps, then distribute these Trojanized versions. Once installed, it hides itself and gives attackers access to your calls, messages, GPS, and even your social media. It can intercept WhatsApp, Facebook, and more. Only download apps from the Play Store and deny suspicious permissions. Use mobile security apps to detect threats. If your phone acts strangely, battery drain, high data use, it could be infected. Trust your instincts and investigate. Mimikatz is legendary for stealing passwords, originally on Windows, but similar tools exist for mobile. After gaining access, hackers use it to extract passwords, PINs, and tokens from your phone's memory. With these, they can access your accounts, even without your password. The key defense? Prevent the initial breach. Don't root or jailbreak your phone, keep your OS updated, and avoid shady apps. Once a hacker is in, tools like Mimikatz can steal everything. Don't make it easy for them. Secure your device at all times. Hydra is a brute force tool that cracks passwords by trying thousands of combinations per second. If you use weak or common passwords, Hydra will find them, fast. It targets login screens for email, social media, and remote access. Use long, unique passwords for every account, and never reuse them. A password manager can help. Most importantly, enable two-factor authentication everywhere. Even if Hydra cracks your password, it can't get past that second layer. 2FA is your best defense. NetHunter is a full hacking operating system for Android. Kali Linux in your pocket. It gives hackers access to hundreds of tools, from Wi-Fi cracking to HID attacks. Installing it isn't easy. It requires a compatible phone and technical know-how. But a dedicated attacker can carry a full arsenal on a smartphone. Be cautious about what networks you join and what devices you connect to your computer. Don't plug in unknown devices. Awareness is your first line of defense. Stay alert to your digital surroundings. The Evil Access Point, or Evil Twin, is a fake Wi-Fi network set up to mimic a trusted one. Your phone may automatically connect, sending all your data through the hacker's device. They can intercept, redirect, and steal your information, often without you noticing. Always forget public networks after use, and be suspicious of open networks that should be password protected. Use a VPN to encrypt your traffic, even if you connect to a rogue hotspot. Check network names carefully. If something feels off, don't connect. Your vigilance is your shield. Protect your connection at all times. FlexiSPY is a commercial spy app, marketed as parental control but used for full-scale surveillance. Once installed, usually with brief physical access, it runs invisibly, recording calls, messages, GPS, and even live audio. It can turn your phone into a bugging device. Protect yourself by never leaving your phone unattended and using strong passcodes or biometrics. Be wary if someone wants to borrow your phone. Mobile security apps can detect some spyware, but a factory reset is the surest way to remove it. Physical security is just as important as digital. Guard your device. Keyloggers record every keystroke, capturing messages, passwords, and private notes. On phones, they're often hidden in fake keyboard apps or bundled with malicious downloads. The hacker gets a complete record of your digital life. Only install apps from official stores and be careful with permissions. Some security apps can detect keyloggers. Use a password manager to autofill credentials. This can bypass some keyloggers. Don't type sensitive info on untrusted devices. Stay cautious with every tap. Frida is an advanced tool that lets hackers inject code into running apps, altering them in real time. They can intercept messages before encryption or bypass app security checks. Frida is mostly used by experts, but the exploits it finds often get packaged into simpler tools. The best defense? Don't root or jailbreak your phone. Keep your device in its secure factory state. Developers are always patching, but it's a cat-and-mouse game. Don't give hackers the access they need. Stay secure by staying stock. Fiddler is a web debugging proxy that intercepts and modifies your phone's web traffic. Hackers can use it to see and tamper with your data, especially if you accept a fake security certificate. Never install unknown certificates on your phone. Your device will warn you. Don't ignore it. A VPN can help shield your traffic from proxy attacks. Be skeptical of any request to change your network settings. Trust your phone's security prompts. Don't let hackers reroute your data. The Social Engineering Toolkit, or SET, is designed to hack people, not just devices. It automates phishing attacks, cloning websites, sending fake emails, and tricking users into giving up passwords. CT can also craft malicious files and spoof SMS messages. The best defense is skepticism. Always check URLs, hover over links, and be wary of urgent messages. Never enter credentials on suspicious sites. Don't give out personal info in response to unsolicited messages. Your awareness is the firewall hackers can't bypass. Stay alert to manipulation. Think before you click. That's 15 powerful hacking tools you need to know about. The threats are real, but so are your defenses. Good digital hygiene, strong passwords, 2FA, VPNs, official app stores, and regular updates makes you a hard target. Most hackers will move on to easier prey. If you found this useful, subscribe for more digital self-defense tips. What surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay safe.